Okay, we're doing the ice cream challenge here at Rivertown Ice Cream and Grill. Yeah? What's your name?
PJ.
And?
Justin.
And?
Garrett.
All right, and I'm going to do it too, so give us a count. Jake or Carly, give us a count, and we're going to do an ice cream challenge.
All right.
We're not yet.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go faster, Deb!
I wish I had a dog here. They could help me.
It hurts so much.
Are you chewing
Put your tongue in the top of the roof of your mouth. It makes it go away.
Oh, man.
This guy is struggling.
It hurts so much.
Come on, you guys are in high school.
I'm beating you.
And she's beating
Well,
you.
I had less than you.
You had half.
JB's 3
Right.
times bigger than me.
Trying to win. I get laughing.
Oh, he's doing better than I am.
You gotta be kidding me, JB.
Suck it up, Buttercup.
I'm trying.
Go, Deb,
Messy.
go.
All right, who you want to root for?
Root for me. Ah!
I want you
No
to get
spitting
sick.
allowed.
I didn't spit.
How much get sick though?
Your mama could watch this. Don't spit.
You're almost there. Now
We'll just get down to the cone. Wait, oh my God.
No,
No
he
way.
has, no, he
No
has to
way.
finish. He has to finish it.
Oh.
Fish.
Look at him go.
That's the easy
I
part.
could not eat very fast.
Christ, JB. We lost him.
Nobody gets sick. Nobody. Keep going.
Oh, I'm gonna puke before practice. That's fine.
God. You can't put me in a
Don't choke
food
on it, don't choke
contest.
on it.
It just won't work.
So, throw me down.
I lost.
Gave a valiant effort. Oh, he's spilling it.
One more bite. One more
Oh,
bite.
don't eat it. Don't eat it.
There's
We
no
should be
way.
on a timer. Give us 30 more seconds.
All right.
Wait.
Do we have a winner?
My
Now
God.
we're winning.
We have a winner.
Looks like he's gonna puke. Oh, man.
I'm about to die.
Oh my gosh, you have won.
Everything.
Woo! Well, win.
There's our winner right here.
I want a car. I want a car.
Congratulations.
Woo!
Hey, your
Thanks for
prize
doing
is
our
more
ice
ice
cream
cream.
challenge.
No problem.
Lord.
What, mine?
No.
Blue count.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.